Yo man guys, Bosleo be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator. Man guys, Charlie, being a man no be easy. You dey understand? Life be very hard, especially if you find yourself in Africa. Charlie, making it in life no be easy. But see, I want to tell you something. The billionaires you see, the rich men you see, those you always envy, they were not born with 6 hands. They were not born with super blood in them. They were nothing special. But they are of the same blood like me and you. Boys feel that, the number of girls you bang, bam, 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 that makes you a man. No, my brother, that does not make you a man. What makes you a man, is you being able, you get it, to come from nothing, by you being able to make enough out of your life. If I say make enough out of your life, that means building wealth, building riches, not the illegal way, but stressing your ass up and making that money. You dey understand? To make life more easier for yourself, for your family, and those around you. That makes you a man. See, it all depends on your mentality, the goals you set in life. You didn't understand? It's not easy to be a rich man. It's not easy to be successful at one thing. But it is always sweet to give it a try. You know why? The benefits of you succeeding always exceeds the disadvantages of you not even trying. Think about it, man, guys. Life no be easy, but we go fit make am easy. When you see, most of you, man, guys, no dey learn. So your mind be, don't take my words. I'm not being harsh, but most of my guys, they work with weakling mindset. If you want to be a billionaire, if you want to be a man, you need to take risks. Making your first 1,000, making your first 10,000, making your first 1 million is difficult. Yes. As an entrepreneur, as somebody who wants to start business, as somebody who wants to make money and make all his family, successful, it's not easy. You build wealth. You don't pray for it. No, you work hard and build it. Charlie, I no want talk much, but the name be Bosleo, aka the ghetto youth motivator. Charlie, if today be the first time you watch my video, my guy, they always tell you, me, I want to be the next billionaire. With me, I want pass Kwame despite. That be the mindset. I won't make money. We no be say money with me I will take enjoy, because I already live comfortable life. You don't understand? But I won't make money generational wealth. I won't make money where my picking self, then go enjoy my money. My great children with them, they come, my speeches from my lineage. And they will always say it is our great grandfather, Bosleo, who switched the poverty switch. That is my mindset. You didn't understand? Always put this thing in mind. With life, you always start from somewhere. you no go fit fall from top. But e always dey depend on you, the mindset and the goals you write put down, what you want to achieve in life. That be what you for dey always look up to. That be what e for dey push you. See, girls dey, you go bang them until we die. You dey understand? You go reach some place sef, you go tire them. That be when you get the money. That be when you put your work. That be when everything is greener for you. So man, guys, forget the 20 girls you dey bang. Forget the 50 girls you dey bang. You know they make anything. You know they add any value to your life. You dey kill yourself and you dey kill the speeches in you. You dey understand? We man, your only goal, if you put everything aside, your only goal in life, they say you go produce, where you go germinate your speeches. That means you go born, make your pickings born, like you go build your lineage. That be our main goal in life. Think about them. You dey understand? So man, guys, make people check up. Then you do something for me. Charlie, once again, the name be Boss Leo. Yeah? Like the video, subscribe, then you comment. Yeah? Charlie, Boss. Guys, if today be the first time you dey watch me, I dey beg you subscribe to my channel. Yeah? Like my video, then you comment. It be very, very important to me. Yeah? Then also tell a friend to come and subscribe to the channel. Make we learn and make money together. Boss Leo.